Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting review on UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming peripherals with a close look at the CORSAIR K70 MAX RGB magnetic mechanical gaming keyboard. Let's see what this beast has to offer. The CORSAIR K70 MAX is not your average gaming keyboard. It's packed with features that promise to take your gaming and typing experience to the next level. From adjustable magnetic mechanical switches to rapid trigger mode, this keyboard is designed with performance in mind. Let's break down some key features that make the K70 MAX stand out. Firstly, its fully adjustable CORSAIR MGX switches allow you to set each key's actuation point precisely to your liking. Whether you prefer lightning-fast key presses or precise typing, this keyboard puts you in control. But that's not all. Dual-point actuation enables you to assign two actions to one key press, giving you the edge in executing instant combos during gaming sessions. It's like having two keystrokes in one, providing unparalleled speed and efficiency. Now, let's talk about speed. The CORSAIR Axon hyper-processing technology ensures lightning-fast performance by processing and transmitting inputs up to 8 times faster than conventional gaming keyboards. And what about the typing experience, you ask? Well, the K70 MAX delivers with soft, satisfying typing acoustics. 2 layers of sound dampening ensure that every keystroke feels and sounds just right, without any distracting noise. When you unbox the K70 MAX, you'll find everything you need for a premium gaming experience. From the magnetic leatherette cushioned palm rest to the detachable USB Type-C to Type-A cable, CORSAIR has thought of everything. So, what's the verdict? The CORSAIR K70 MAX RGB magnetic mechanical gaming keyboard is a powerhouse of performance and customization. With its adjustable switches, rapid trigger mode, and Axon hyper-processing technology, it's a game-changer in the world of gaming keyboards. Thanks for tuning in to our review of the CORSAIR K70 MAX RGB magnetic mechanical gaming keyboard. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on UK Pro Reviewer. Until next time, happy gaming!